space, where you can do flips without trying, and your snacks float right to you. Whoa! Wait a minute. Where did my zero-gravity cookie go? Hello, curious minds. I'm Professor Why-saurus. Have you ever wondered why that apple fell down instead of floating up into the sky? Why don't we just float away into space like astronauts? The answer is an invisible superpower that our planet has. It's called gravity. Gravity is an invisible pulling force. You can't see it and you can't touch it, but it's holding you right now. It's like the Earth is giving everything on it a giant, invisible hug, making sure we don't drift away. Want to test it out? Stand up right where you are. Ready? I want you to jump as high as you can on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, jump! Did you stay up in the air? Nope. Gravity pulled you right back down to the ground. It pulls down apples, it pulls down water to make rain, and it pulls down jumping teal dinosaurs. So, the next time you drop your favorite toy, don't be mad. Just say, whoops, gravity strikes again. Thanks for exploring with me today. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time.